What's going on, guys? It's Matthew with Regal Chevrolet coming to you live from the Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center with our brand new 2022 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, modified and customized by our friends at DSI, Dealer Services International. They're located in Tampa. They've done so many great trucks for us, and this one, without a doubt, takes the cake. Being the brand new 2022, fully loaded, top of the line Chevy Silverado heavy duty, the high country, paired with the 6-inch suspension lift kit, 22-inch forged rims, straight from the factory, the fuel factory, in California, power running boards, 37-inch all-terrain mud tires, and that beautiful brand new wild cherry color available on the 2022 heavy duty Silverado 2500 HD. This one features the black and umber interior option, fully leather all the way through. And this truck is absolutely insane. It's the best 2022 Duramax in America right now, and I feel confident saying that. This is Pat with DSI. Pat, tell us a little bit about this truck and about DSI.
How's it going, guys? I'm with DSI, Dealer Services International. We build trucks for dealerships that warranty everything. The truck is warranted, the lift kit's warranted, and I want to tell you a little bit about what we did on this truck and some of the benefits you get when you build a truck with DSI. So, first of all, this particular truck we built for Regal Chevrolet in Lakeland, Florida. We did 22 by 12 fuel forged wheels with a 37 1350 Toyota Open Country lift kit. This also got a Pro Comp lift kit, and we upgraded the shocks to a Bill Steam shock. When you do lifts with us, you can actually customize it to however you want. It doesn't have to be a specific cookie cutter style lift like some of the other manufacturers. We'll build it however you want and warranty it however you want. Let me show you some other things. When you build with DSI, we give you what we call our Diamond Care package. And the Diamond Care is a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that covers anything that may be caused by the lift kit installed on there. And like I said, DSI will build you whatever you want. It doesn't have to be crazy. If you just want a bed cover, you want some power steps, you want to do a big lift kit, wheels, tires, we'll help you out however you want. And remember, Regal Chevrolet, those are the guys that are going to help you get what you want.
It's available right now at the Gaylord Palms Resort and Convention Center at Truck Fest in Orlando, Florida. And if it somehow does not sell today, it will be available on the ground at Regal Chevrolet at 925 Bartow Road in Lakeland, Florida. Give me a call today if you're interested in buying this beast here. It's one of a kind. You can reach me directly, phone call or text at 616-843-7789. Duramax High Country 2500 2022. Fully decked out by DSI. right here at Truck Fest in Orlando, Florida. My name's Matthew. Thanks for watching.